Hey everyone and welcome back, and in this video I am going to be showing you how to add Revolut card to your Google Wallet. So basically you need to head over to Revolut for that, and in there you are going to be having an option of adding banks. So different banks are integrated with Revolut inside the web app, or if you're using a mobile application you can use both of these to add Revolut card to Google Pay or Google Wallet, and it is actually quite simple. So what you're going to do is you simply need to head over to Revolut official platform, make sure that you have an account already, and in there you are going to be having that you are going to be easily putting your Google Wallet inside that. So make sure to check that out, and if you do, you are going to be really getting that benefit of Google Wallet all in all. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. If it does, you can consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more, and we are regularly uploading this kind of videos, so yeah, do follow. See you in the next video.